Isabella brushing baby here. Look at her. She's trying to groove herself. Yeah. She's shaky, but she seems less so than the day that she got here. That's just what I think. She's trying to groove herself. But it's so sweet because she's doing well. So, Isabella, you were saying she was eating?
Yes. Yeah, she ate a whole can of wet food by herself. We just have to hold the bowl up for her because she's so shaky, but she ate all of it.
Yeah. I think she looks a little better.
Yeah.
She's so cute. And her name is Jitterbug.
Jitterbug.
Jitterbug. Yes. We get